Hi. There are times in life, and these times may happen every day, but there are times in life when we need to get away from all kinds of noise and conflict and anxiety to examine the source of peace in our heart. And these are liberating times when we simply get away from conflicts, wars, ambitions, contradictions, discussions, debates, often dishonest debates, mutual accusations, often exaggerated and absolutely false in other occasions. Getting away from all that combination of disharmonious noises liberates us to be born again. Distance from noise and hurry liberates us to be ourselves. In silence, we find our soul and we find wisdom and peace. This is something for us to recover every day, if possible, every hour. The ideal thing to do would be to remember the presence of a sacred silence beside us 24 hours a day. And find other persons who also see the need for inner silence and help create relationship between human beings in which silence and peace are possible, and make this become a sort of snowball, white enlightening ball running from the top of the mountain of spiritual wisdom to enlightened human karma, enlightened human reality in this 21st century. But we have the top of the mountain inside of us. We are the snowball that can help enlighten the valley down there. We have both the valley and the top of the mountain in our consciousness.